Steelmama is an influential roll-forming machine supplier in China. Manual feed shears deliver smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. This machine works extremely efficiently. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. We can customize it according to your needs. Hydraulic drive, automatic positioning and cutting. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within plus or minus 1 millimeter. This roll-forming machine can produce 2 different roll-forming profiles on one machine. Save workshop space and reduce investment. Commitment. Delivery within 45 days. 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.